And being as apps DBA, at least 60% time will be spent on patching. So question comes, what is the reason why we are going to apply this many patches? I mean, every day, every week, or I mean, on a daily basis, we'll do the patching. Okay. So if I am a core DBA, generally what we have only one Oracle home, and apart from one Oracle home, we will have our databases. So in Oracle Core DBA, generally I will deal with few files. For example, we have a control file, data file, do log file, parameter file, password file, and might be trace file. So mainly 7 or 8 files we have in Core DBA. But in case of Oracle application, we have already discussed, we will have almost 200 plus module. And you have seen the file system. In each and every directory, we have a lot of files. We have form, we have message file, we have PL/SQL procedure, we have PLL file. So many files we have, and I mean, these many modules we have. So might be we will see a lot of issues. So due to that reason, being as apps DBA, we will apply a lot of patches. And a good apps DBA should be very good on patching. So today I'll discuss what exactly the patch is, what is the reason for patching, and how many types of patches we have in Oracle application, and how to apply the patch, what are the pre-steps we have, what are the post-steps we have. So in this session, I will discuss. So basically, what is patch? So patch is nothing but a kind of we can say SQL file, a kind of shell script. With the help of that, we are going to apply something in my database or in my application. Say for example, I got some issues. In Core DBA, generally, if I'm getting Aura 600 error, so what we do, we talk with Oracle support. Hey, I got Aura 600 error. So what Oracle says that Aura 600 error can be a number of reasons. Might be the code which you are going to apply at the database level. Due to that, we are getting Aura 600 error, or maybe due to some memory issues, or maybe some hardware issues, or maybe we have done something at the database level or something at the server level. So due to that reason, we are getting Aura 600 error. So whenever we are getting Aura 600 error, you know very well we have a tool. So with the help of tool, we can come to know, okay, what is the reason for this Aura 600 error and what is the patch. But still we will talk with Oracle. I will say to Oracle, hey, I got Aura 600 error. So what Oracle will do? Oracle will ask us to upload alert log file and correspondent trace file. And after analysis, what support says that, okay, yeah, this is the issue. So you have to apply this patch. So might be that patch will fix your code, or might be that patch will change something in your database level. And once the patching has been done, we will not see the Aura 600 error. So we can say patch is nothing but a kind of SQL file, a kind of shell script, or a kind of code that we are going to apply at the database level, or maybe application level, or maybe any layer. Now question comes, what is the reason for patching? So let me open. See, these are the reasons. So we are going to fix some existing issues. So for example, my developer or my end user, he says that, hey, we are not able to open the file, or let me open the Corel Draw. Now one example I have. Say for instance, I have a form. Okay. I have a form. So in this form, we have some field. For example, I have some field. So these field we have might be, this one is for name, for age, for salary, or address we have. So this is a form, and with the help of that form, we are going to insert some data in my database. So what we can do, we are going to put something. So for example, I said Sadiq. Okay, fine. So for example, I am keeping the age, say 21. But in the salary column, whenever I'm trying to insert, say some salary, $3,000. So rather than getting dollar symbol, I'm getting some XYZ character, some junk character. Maybe something like I'm getting the asterisk sign. So it means we have some issue with the code. So reason is that whenever I'm putting the salary, so $3,000, rather than taking the dollar, it's taking asterisk symbol. It means something wrong at the code level. So what I will do, first I will try to fix the code. So what we will do at the development application, we will do some changes or some modification. Now it's not working. It means some real issue we have. So what I will do, I will talk with Oracle and I will say, hey, whenever I'm trying to insert salary, so whenever I'm putting dollar symbol, I'm not getting dollar, I'm getting asterisk sign. So what Oracle will do, Oracle will ask some trace file, some log file or something they will ask. So after analysis, when the Oracle support will see my log file, my trace file or whatever the file they will ask, they will say, yeah, exactly we have some issue. So what you have to do, you have to apply some patches. Say for example, patch is abc.zip file. This is the patch, p hyphen abc.zip. It means we have some issue. For that reason, we are going to apply one patch. Okay, fine. So where is come to this way. So fixing an existing issue. So I got some issue. Due to that reason, I am going to apply some patches. Adding a new feature or functionality. So for example, I'm using GL top or so Oracle says that every quarter I'm going to release some patches. Every quarter Oracle will release some patches. So in that patch, what Oracle will do, Oracle will add some extra functionality. So what exactly functionalities we don't know, but Oracle says that you have to apply this patch. So to adding some new feature or functionality, we are going to apply the patch. Now, third point is updating to higher maintenance level. Okay. So for example, on that day we have seen my AD version. So it was B.1. So I'm using my AD, it's a B.1 and Oracle says that now it's time to upgrade your AD. So what you have to do, you have to apply some patch. So when you will apply that patch, your AD version could be B.3. B.3. It means I want to upgrade my existing product. So we have AD B.1. So when I will apply the patch, it can be AD B.3. So updating to a higher maintenance level. Applying the latest product enhancement. Say for example, I'm using GL, I'm using AU, I'm using FinTop, and Oracle says that if you will apply this patch, you will get some extra benefit in your top. So due to that reason also, we will apply the patch. Okay, and apart from that, say I got some issues. Okay, so to determine the source issue, what was the issue, for that also we will apply the patch. Okay, and apart from that, we want to get online help. So for that reason also we'll apply the patch. Or I want to upgrade my application. Say we have application 12.1.1 and I want to upgrade my application from 12.1.1 to 12.1.3. So for upgrading your application, we will apply the patches. So these are the common reason for patching. So point number one, fixing an existing issue, adding new feature, updating to higher maintenance level, applying the latest product enhancement, providing interoperability to new technology stack and determine the source of an issue, and applying online help. And one more point I'll write here, upgrade EBS. So I want to upgrade my EBS as well. Okay, let me change the color. Yeah, this one is good. Upgrade EBS. So these are the common reason. For that, we are going to apply the patch. Sadiq, are we good? Now let me move on to next slide. So basically, what patch contains? Okay, and you know very well, in the DBA you have applied a lot of patches. So generally, the patch which I am getting from Oracle support, it will start with P. So P say abc dot zip. So this is the patch. And generally what we do, we say unzip pabc dot zip, and it will create one directory called ABC. Under that, we will have a SQL file, we will have a TXT file, we will have HTML file, we will have some code file. Okay, so these are the contents we have in patch. And patch contents depend upon the patch. So if I'm applying database patch, content will be different. If I'm going to apply the patch in Oracle application, content will be different. If I want to apply the patch at the OS level, in that also content will be different. So patch depend upon your product, what product you are going to use. Depend upon that we will have a patch contents. So generally in Oracle application, if I will talk about what exactly the patch is, so patch will have mainly two files. Okay, one file will be readme file, and second will be your driver file. So this slide shows that what exactly patch contains. So patches generally consist of a top level directory that may contain several files. Already we have seen in this one. See. So we have a patch pabc.zip. So it says that patch will have a several files, and whenever I will say unzip pabc.zip, it will create one directory called abc. So that directory will be considered as a patch top, or because in abc we have all the files related to your patch. Okay, and apart from that, see here, the top level directory is a named patch number. See, so my patch number is abc, where patch number is a number of the patch. The most important file in the top level directory is readme.txt and readme.html file. Already we know we have applied a lot of patches in my database. So readme.txt and readme.html file is the main file. Okay, in this file Oracle will put all the information, why we are going to apply the patch, what are the contents we have in that patch. If you want to apply the patch, what are the prereq you have to do, how to apply the patch, and after applying the patch, what are the post step you have to do. So each and every information you will get in the readme.txt or readme.html file. And apart from that, one important file we have, it's called upatchnumber.drv. So this is the important file, and this is the main file for patching. So whenever you are going to apply the patch, we have to mention my driver file. So I will tell you what exactly we have in the driver file. So this is the information about your readme file. Okay, so basically what is readme.file, what are the contents we have written. Okay. So readme.txt or readme.html file describe what the patch does. Obviously, what patch will do, how many bug it will fix, what are the steps we have to perform. So these information you will see in the readme.txt or readme.html file. Okay. Now, if the patch contains manual step, then readme file provides information on using Oracle patch application to generate customized installation instruction. If the patch does not contain manual step, the readme file provides instruction for running auto patch to apply the patch. Okay. So here, if you want to apply the patch, you have some different command. Like for example, we have opatch in core DBA, and here we have AD patch. So move on to next slide. Okay. Now this is the file, unified driver file. This is an important file. So unified driver named u, then patch number, then .drv contains the commands necessary to changes file and database object. So this file will have a commands, and it will have some instruction to generate some database object, or it may have some command to delete some object and again recreate that object. Okay. Now it contains a sequential list of copy database, generate instruction which are arranged in the section. You typically run the unified driver, and on the top, auto patch runs only the action that are required for the current Apple top. Okay. So what does it mean? So it means that we are going to apply the patch, and in unified driver file, all the instruction has been mentioned very clearly. This unified driver is for which top? Either you will apply this patch on GL top, or either you will apply the patch in common top or Apple top, or whatever the top you have. So each and every instruction has been stored in unified driver file. So being in the apps DBA, what I will do, simply I will pass this unified driver file. So Oracle will read this file, it will fetch the instruction, and it will apply your application level, it will apply your database level as well. Okay, so now tables, which is very useful whenever you will apply the patch. So let me increase the size. Okay, make it job 24. Okay, system got hanged. Okay, yeah. So in this, I have written some tables that will be very helpful whenever you will apply the patch. So for example, in core DBA, after applying the patch, if I want to know the information, okay, how many patches we applied, when I applied the patch. So what we do, we use opatch ls inventory, and we can use the pipe symbol and say grep applied. So whatever the patches has been applied with respect to date, you will see the information. But in Oracle application, Oracle has given me some tables. So with the help of that table, we can see either patch has been applied or not, or when the patch got applied. So each and every information you will get with the help of these tables. Like for example, we have a table called AD applied patches. So this stores information about all distinct updated applieds. AD bugs to store information about all fixed applied. So apart from that, there are so many tables. Now let me log into the machine. Where I have machine? Yeah, it's the machine. Okay, today machine is very slow. Okay, so open putty session. Okay, till now any doubt?
No,
Okay,
no doubt.
so open so-oracle, and I will open one more session for my appmgr. So let me cross verify my database is running. Yep, P1 is running. Check with the listener. Yeah, listener is running. And go to admin directory and cross verify all the services are running or not. Yes, everything is fine. Now we are going to apply the patch. So let me check what are the patches we have. So I think in soft directory we have patches. Yeah, patches we have.
Excuse me, this side disturb me. How to check application is up? OPMN.
Yeah, OPM and status. See, OPM and status. So what it will do, it will cross check all the services. Mainly we have 4 services and everything should be alive.
Okay.
Now, see, we have some patches. So these are the patches. So generally what we do, we say unzip and the patch number. You know very well if you want to unzip. So this one, okay. So I'm not going to unzip by because already this patch has been unzipped. So we know unzip and the patch number. So for example, this one, I'll say and it will unzip. So what I will do, this is the patch 92.390.89. So this patch I'm going to apply. Let's -ltr. See. So in this what we have, yeah, this is the important file. .drv and readme.txt and readme.html file. So what I will do, I will open this file readme.html and we will see the instruction how to apply the patch like same we have in core DBA. So in SAP, take this file in my desktop. Okay, so edit. pwd, take this location and I will put this file in my desktop. Yeah, this file readme HTML file. Okay, I got it. Where we have, yeah, this is the file. Okay, so information about this file, update this. It's for Oracle application DBA for release R12. What is the platform? Linux x86. And when this patch got built, December 28 2012 and 1542. Okay, so execute the following command and generate the instance specific instruction. Okay, continue. Yeah, this is the important one. So how to apply the patch? What we have to do, we have to create one directory, Oracle Home Apps Util Admin, on the database server. Copy adgrants.sql from this patch directory to this location and set the variables environment, login SQL plus, and we have to run this file and we have to pass apps schema name. So let me start first step. So in this patch we have admin directory. Go to admin. See Sadik, whatever the instruction Oracle has given in the readme.txt file, we will follow same step. Okay, so ad grants, this is the file. Okay, so Oracle says that what we have to do, we have to create Oracle Home Apps Util directory, admin directory in DB tier. This is the DB tier. cd Oracle Home. Under that we have Apps Util. Under that I will create admin directory. Go to admin directory. Yeah. And in this location I will copy the file. Okay, I'll do. So cp ad grants. Take this location. Okay. We cannot copy. Why? Because my application owner is different and my database owner is different. So apps appmgr user cannot copy anything in Oracle Home. So what I will do, I will change the permission. Mod -r 7777 and this location. Now I can copy. Yeah, it got copied. Okay. What is the next step? It says that set the environment SQL plus no logging and we have to run this file. Okay, I'll do SQL plus add 6GB. Okay, and we have to run. So at the rate this file and ad grants.sql and we have to pass apps schema. See. So what it will do, it will create some object, it will delete some object, it will create sequences. Okay, so let me check. Yeah. So create SQL, create packages, give some grants. Okay. So one step we have done. Come down. So how to apply? This patch contains the following unified driver file to be applied the patches. So this is the file. Come down. Now one important thing is that in Oracle application, see, pre-install task, you must shut down all application TS services before performing this task in the section. It means if you want to apply this patch, you have to shut down Oracle application. And most important thing is that in Oracle application, whenever you want to apply the patch, what you have to do, you have to enable the maintenance mode. Maintenance mode. Okay, so we know very well how to enable the maintenance mode. So let me do clear the screen. ad admin apple top admin directory. No. Yes. Batch size, correct database, yes. See, already this option we have done. So apps, okay. So option 5, change maintenance mode, and option 1, enable maintenance mode. Okay, take this command and put in the notepad. So next time I will use this command. Okay, done. Exit, exit, exit out. Now we need to apply the patch. So before applying the patch, what we have to do, we have to shut down Oracle application as well. So go to admin directory, ad stop app/apps. Okay, it's going to shut down the services. Okay, done. So all the services is down. So if you are interested, you can open the log file and cross check. Everything is stopped. Your road service, your web entry point service, your web application services, and other services has been disabled. It means everything is down, and we got the status 0. Perfect. Now apply the patch. So most of the time, whenever we apply the patch, we will go to patch top directory. So /soft 92, sorry, patches, and location is 92. Now the command which we have to apply the patch, it's ad patch. Ad patch is the command. Okay, so with the help of that command, we are going to apply the patch, ad patch. So again, it will cross verify it's a correct apple top. I'll say yes, it's a correct apple top. Now patch log file. So if you want to use default ad patch log, you can use. Otherwise, you can change the name. So I'll mention the patch number and patch.log. So you can be notified by email. If you want to enable the feature, no, I did not require. Exactly the batch size already we know. Correct database, yes. Password manager. So enter the Oracle password. Okay, apps. See the important point here. AD code level is B.1. You can ask one question: why I am using this patch? Patch is whenever we are going to upgrade our application from 12.1.1 to 12.1.3, Oracle says that your AD code level should be B.3. So due to that reason, we are going to apply this patch B. I mean 923 patch. And on that day we have discussed about snapshot. So we discussed whenever we are going to apply the patch, what Oracle will do. Oracle will update the snapshot. See, it's updating my snapshot. So it may take some time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, updating snapshot table. Perfect. Is stopped here. I started recording. So what I did, I went to the patch top directory. So if you are not in the patch top directory, what will happen? It will ask your location of your patch. So on that time we have to mention soft patch and that location. So it's saying that
Oh,
please enter your application auto patch driver file. Okay, so it will start with you and the patch number and then .dr.
dot
So,
.dr.
so this is the main file which will apply your patch. So enter number of worker by default 4. Yeah, files copied. Okay. And again, the log file would be at Apple top and admin SID log. So go to that. Open one more section. Root welcome one hyphen mgr Apple top admin
No.
SID and log. The patch log file. So applying the patch. Okay, so almost patching done. So what we can do, we can open the log file as well and we can cross verify what is happening. See, after patching, we got some invalid object.
Invalid.
Okay, okay, 15 jobs is remaining. Okay, 8 job is remaining. Perfect. Okay, see, when the patching has been done, automatically Oracle will run AD UTR CMD. Whatever the invalid object we have, that will be valid. Okay, so this is about patching. We have one more topic. It will not take more than 10 minutes. So let me discuss.
Okay.
So I think you need to leave. It's a 6:30 or 6:20.
6:20 now.
Okay, so I think you have a time, or can we skip?
How much time it will take?
20 minutes.
Uh, let's we'll continue tomorrow because I have
Okay,
to
sure,
leave
sure, yeah,
next
sure,
day.
sure, sure, sure. So let it finish.
No, still is going on.
So once the patching has been done, I will start the services, and we will see either this patch has been applied or not. Okay. And apart from that, we have some tables. Let me check. So SQL plus app/apps describe describe AD underscore applied underscore patches. Sorry, describe. Okay, so select applied patch ID. What is the patch number? What is the patch type? Created by. Sorry, select.
Thoughts coming.
Yeah, dot king. Patch number, patch type, and created by from where AD underscore applied patches, where patch ID equals to that patch number. Patch number, go up, go up. We can get, go up. Yeah, this is the patch number. Okay, not selected. Okay, set line size 200, column patch name for A25. So this is the applied patch ID, patch number. What was the patch type? It's a patch set and created by 5. Okay. See, we have so many other options like uh, last updated or whatever, and we have one more called AD underscore bugs. Describe AD underscore.
Bucks. AD.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Clear call. Describe AD underscore bugs. Describe AD underscore bugs. AD underscore bugs. Select bug ID, comma bug number, creation date, or generic patch from AD underscore bug, where bug number equals to that patch. Where is the patch? It's taking some time, so let me check. It's still going on, okay? Why? Because in apps schema we have so many invalid objects, so it takes some time. I think this table has not updated till now. Okay, so we will wait. So basically, we will use two tables: AD applied patches and AD bugs. So with the help of that, we can find the patch information. And apart from that, we have so many tables like AD patch, common action, AD file version, or AD drivers. So we can get a lot of information from these tables. So we will have one more class tomorrow. So again, we'll see how to apply the patch, how to merge the patch, and again, we'll talk about something about patching.
Okay.
It may take time, so you can leave. I will continue this one. Once this has been done, I will start the services and we'll cross verify.
Okay.
Sure? Okay. So you carry on. See you tomorrow at 6:30 sharp.
Okay. Thank you.
Take
Thank you
care.
so
Yeah.
much.
Bye bye. Okay. So patching has been done, and I got one information inserted one patch history record. Okay. Perfect. And see, after applying the patch, also what it's doing, it's going to update current view snapshot. So before applying the patch and after applying the patch, it will update your snapshot. Okay, so patching has been done successfully. Now what I will do, I will try to start the services as well. Okay, got it started. Let me cross verify ADOPMN status. Okay, not yet started. Oh, I did stop, not start. AD start apps/apps. Okay, it got started. Let me cross check. Perfect. Now let me check AD admin status. And what we did before applying the patch, we have enabled the maintenance mode. So let me disable the maintenance mode. So already we have a command. Take this command and we have to say disable. Okay. So let me try to stop the services again and okay, services has been down again. Let me start. Okay, service has been started. Now let me try to open the application.